Hello everyone, this is Vinayak and today I'm going to teach you your next chapter, practice 3.1 and of class 3. I'm going to teach you your learning mathematics. So in your first question, subtract each of the following. Your first question says subtract each of the following. इनमें से प्रत्येक को आपको घटाने हैं और घटाने का काम जो है lakhs, 10,000, 1,000, 100, टेंस और वंस, ये सारे अलग अलग कॉलम्स हैं। इन सभी कॉलम्स के अनुसार इन सभी संख्याओं को घटाने हैं। सो 10,000 7, 1,000 0, 100 6, 2 4, 2 3, 0 1 1 3, so guys, here how will you subtract any number with the larger one? So here you have to focus on only the columns, where here the south columns are. In your ones column there is two numbers down, 4 and 3. Then in tens, two numbers, 100 columns, this is the 100 column, 6 and 1. Then it is 1,000 columns, then 10,000 and then lakhs. So you have to subtract it with the columns, then you can carry your remarks. So I'm going to subtract 4, subtract 3, 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 6 minus 1 5, and 0 minus 0 0, 7 minus 3 4, and 4 minus 2 2. So this is your answer, 24,500, 2,40,511. This is your answer of your first question, and I am going for second question. And your work is you have to solve your question number B to F properly of your question number first. I'm going to solve your next question, question number 2. It is very easy to subtract any number with its minuend. So in your second question, here is shown, subtract the largest 4-digit number. Subtract the largest 4-digit number from the smallest. 6-digit number. Guys, here you should subtract 4-digit largest number from the 6-digit smallest number. So you have to subtract 6-digit number, 4-digit number from 6-digit number. So the largest you can carry with since also. Since the smallest 6-digit number is, so smallest 6-digit number is, you know that, this is your smallest 6-digit number, which is 1 lakh, and you have to subtract the 4-digit number from, and the largest 4-digit number is, you also know, largest 4-digit number is 9999. So you need to subtract here. If we subtract 9 from 0, we can't subtract it, so we have to borrow 1 from 10's place. So if we carry 1, then it forms 1 plus 0, it means tens, it forms tens. So now you can subtract 10 minus 9, 1. Now here is remains 9, 9 from 9, 0. Now 9 from 9, 0. Then 9 from 9, 0. And at the end 9. So this is your answer, 90,001. So subtract the largest 4-digit number from the smallest 6-digit number. If we subtracted 4-digit number from the smallest 6-digit number, then we get 90,001. This is your answer. So I'm going for the next question, question number 3. Here is find the difference between the largest 5-digit number formed by the given digit. So this is your question number 2. I'm going for the 3rd. In your 3rd question, you have to find the difference. Find the difference between largest 5-digit number formed by the given digit 83415, 83415, and smallest 5-digit number formed by five-digit number formed by the given digit 06128, guys, first of all you have to form the largest 5-digit number by the given digit and the smallest 5-digit number by the other given digits. You have, so find out the difference between the largest 5-digit number formed by this. So since the largest 5-digit number formed by 83415 3415. So you have to form the largest digit, largest number, so you can use the largest digit first, then smaller, and then very small, at least. So your largest 5-digit number formed by the given digit is 85,431 and the smallest 5-digit number formed by the given digit 06128. So you have to make the smallest number from it. So at first you need to pick up the smallest one and then larger. So the smallest digit 5-digit number formed by 06128 is 10268. So you have to find the difference between these two. So if we find the difference between these two digits, so if we subtract it from menu end with the subtrahend, if we subtracted 8 from 1, it is not possible. So we have to borrow 1 from tens places. So here is 1 and 1 make 11. So you can subtract now 11 minus 8, 3. Then here is remaining 2. So 12, 6. Then 3, 2, 1, 5, 7. So this is your difference between the forming digits of both largest and the smallest 5-digit number. So your digit is 75,163. This is the answer of your question number 3rd. I'm going for the next. Find the difference in each of the following. This is question number 4th, and find the difference in each of the following. Find the difference in each of the following. इनमें से प्रत्येक संख्याओं के आपको अंतर निकालने हैं. So your given number is 3,13,248. 3,13,248 to 1,29,602. So you need to subtract here just 1,29,602 from 3,13,248. Just for the difference, you need to find out the difference by its columns. To subtract it by minuend, to the subtrahend, it's similar columns like it's ones place. So if we subtracted 2 from it, we find out 6. Then 0 from 4, 4. 12, 6, 2, 3, 1, 10 to 8, and at least in last 2 minus 1, 1. So your answer is 1,83,646. This is your answer. So you need to just subtract from its column by column, like ones from ones, tens from tens, or 100 from hundreds. Then you can find out your answer. So I'm going for the next question, question number 5. In your next question, question number 5. Question number 5 says compare and put. Compare and put smaller, greater, or equal to. This is, you need to use the 3 signs, this 3 symbols in your question number 5. So in your question number first, here is 32,671, the given number, and 12,418, the other numbers, and in between the given box and 8 list 29,253, the other number. So you have to just compare these 2 numbers are equal or not, or which number is greater to others and which number is smaller than others. So at first you need to just subtract the minuend from subtrahend. So 11 minus 8, 3, 6, 1, 5, 6 minus 4, 2, 2, 0, and 8 list 3, 1, 2. So your answer is 20,253, and on other side here is represented 29,253, which is larger than 20,253. It means 20,253 is smaller than 29,253. So this is your comparing, and you have to solve your next questions B to E completely. I'm going for the next one, your question number 6. In your question number 6, solve each of the following. This is very important question. In your question number A, here is 31,243 is sound here, and then putting the symbol of 8, then 12,506, which is the second number, and then put the symbol of minus, then 21,255. Just focus on your blackboard. How will solve this question? How will I solve this question? Just look it on your blackboard. It is very important for you, because you have just many questions, but this is one of the most important question. So in that questions, two signs are represented on your blackboard, which is at first in plus and then minus. So इस तरह के सवालों को देखने के लिए सबसे पहले आपको ये समझना ज़रूरी है कि इन सवालों के आपको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड्स में देखने हैं। जो आपको गिवन नंबर्स दिए गए हैं, जो संख्याएं दिए गए हैं, उनको आपको लेफ़्ट साइड में हमेशा ध्यान से देखना है कि क्या मौजूद है, कौन सा साइन मौजूद है। अगर हम इनके लास्ट नंबर को देखें 21,255, तो इनके लास्ट में माइनस का चिन्ह है। सो हमेशा जो आपके गिवन नंबर्स होंगे, दिए गए नंबर्स होंगे, उनके आपको लेफ़्ट साइड में लेने हैं, वो उनके हो जाते हैं। ये बिल्कुल इनके साइन है। इसका मतलब हो गया 21,255 माइनस में है। जब हम इस नंबर की बात करते हैं तो इसके लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में प्लस का चिन्ह है। सो इससे ये पता चलता है कि 12,506 इज़ इन प्लस फॉर्म, ये प्लस में है। और जब हम 31,243 के लेफ्ट में देखते हैं तो वहाँ पर कुछ नहीं होता। लेकिन मैं आपको बता दूं कि सबसे पहले ऐसे सवालों में जब ये सवाल शुरू होते हैं और यहाँ पर कुछ भी नहीं होते तो इनके आगे में प्लस साइलेंट होता है। इनके आगे में सबसे पहले प्लस साइलेंट होता है। इट मीन्स 31,243 प्लस में है। सो 31,243 प्लस में, 12,506 प्लस में, सिर्फ माइनस में 21,255 है। तो इसलिए बोर्ड मास के नियम के अनुसार हम लोग सबसे पहले प्लस का काम करते हैं, प्लस की क्रिया करते हैं। इसलिए पहले हम प्लस वालों को प्लस कर देंगे। सो प्लस वालों को प्लस करने के लिए आपको सबसे पहले इक्वल टू का प्रयोग करना होगा। और ये प्लस में है। पहले संख्या 31,243 and 12,506 is in plus mode. So you have to add the both numbers 36940 4257 213 and in last 314. So this is the sum of this two numbers 43,749, and now what's remain? Minus 21,255. So here you may put the sign of minus and then write your next number 21,255, and then अब यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं कि ये जो दूसरे नंबर आए 43,749, इनके आगे में भी कुछ नहीं है, लेकिन यहाँ पर भी प्लस साइलेंट में है। तो प्लस का चिन्ह वहाँ भी है, लेकिन जब हम प्लस और माइनस को एक साथ देखते हैं तो प्लस माइनस माइनस हो जाता है। इट मीन्स ये दोनों माइनस में आएंगे, और इनका हम माइनस का कहाँ करेंगे? तो जब हम माइनस करते हैं 954 14 में 5 घटा दिए 9 6 2 4 3 minus 1 2, and in last 4 minus 2 2. So your answer is 22,494. 22,492. 22,492. 94. 22,494 is your answer. So in this way you can solve your next all those questions very simply and commonly. So go for it and just try to focus on that, which way which questions are solved in your books and on your blackboard. So you have to focus each and every question or every examples which is shown on your books or your blackboard. Then you can solve your all word problems and all those questions which is in 3.1. So go for it. Best of luck. This is 3.1 and I'm going to solve your next chapter. Hello everyone, this is Vinayak and today I'm going to teach you the next chapter of your practice 3.2 of class 3rd. But before it, I will tell you and teach you something important. So guys, listen to me and focus on your blackboard properly. Guys, if 0 is subtracted, this is the properties of subtraction. You should remember these terms very carefully. If 0 is subtracted from any number, the difference is the number itself. अगर 0 को किसी भी संख्या से घटा दिया जाता है तो उसमें जो संख्या में जिस संख्या से आप 0 को घटाते हैं तो उसमें घटाने के दौरान आपको वही संख्या खुद ब खुद प्राप्त हो जाते हैं। इसीलिए कहता है if 0 is subtracted from any number, the difference is the number itself. This is the first property of subtraction, and I am going for the next one. If number is subtracted from a number itself, अगर कोई भी संख्या बिल्कुल उसी तरीके के संख्या से सब्ट्रैक्ट होता है, घटाया जाता है, सो द डिफरेंस इज ऑलवेज 0. तो उसके बीच का जो डिफरेंस होता है बिल्कुल 0 निकलता है। ये प्रॉपर्टीज़ है, गुण है सब्ट्रैक्शन के। इफ़ 1 इज सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम एनी नंबर, सो you would find out the difference of the predecessor of that number. So the difference is the predecessor of that number. अगर किसी भी संख्या में 1 को घटाया जाता है, 1 को घटाया जाता है, तो उस संख्या के अंतर के तौर पर हम लोग उस संख्या के प्रीडिसेसर को देखते हैं। जो कि उससे पहले आया हुआ अंक रहता है, तो ये हमेशा ही इसके सब्ट्रैक्शन के गुण माने जाते हैं। इफ़ 10, 100 और 1000 आर सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम अ नंबर, देन एट द डिजिट एट ones, tens, 100 और 1000 place, always place are decreased by 1 respectively। जब कभी भी अगर कोई संख्या दहाई, इकाई, दहाई, सैकड़ा या फिर हज़ार वाले स्थान पर होता है और उसमें से जब कभी हम 10, 1, 10, 100 या फिर 1000 को घटाते हैं, तो हमेशा ही हम ये पाते हैं कि हम उनके पहले वाले नंबर को पा रहे हैं। जैसा कि उसमें देखा जाता है, अभी आप इस तरह के सवालों को बनाएंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा। तो इस तरह से ये देख करके हम लोग ये पता कर सकते हैं कि जब भी हम लोग 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 लाख और 10 लाख, करोड़, इस तरह के संख्या को जब भी हम लोग किसी नंबर से घटाते हैं तो उन संख्याओं में से उनका वो स्थान में से एक कम हो जाता है। अगर हम किसी भी दिए गए संख्याओं में से 100 को घटा रहे हैं तो उसमें से 100वां प्लेस, सैकड़ा वाला जो स्थान है, उसमें से एक कम हो जाएगा। अगर वहाँ पे 2 है तो वो 1 रह जाएगा। ये हम लोग देखेंगे अभी। सो लेट्स कम ऑन टू सॉल्विंग योर लर्निंग मैथमेटिक्स practice set 3.2, and in your first question fill in the blanks using property of subtraction. But before it, I will tell you 3 important things, that if you find out the difference from any number like 1000, so guys, here you have to know, you will have to know the which number is said to be. So your first number in subtraction is always known as minuend. This number is always known as minuend, and the next one from that number is subtracted from minuend, this is subtrahend. This is subtrahend. And now the numbers subtracted from minuend, you would find the difference. This is known as difference. So 51613, 31,615 is the difference. This is always said to be difference in subtraction, and the first number is always said to be minuend, and the other number which is subtracted by the first minuend is also said to be, always said to be subtrahend. So this minuend, you have to remember this point. This is very important term. After that, I am going for your practice set 3.2. In your question number first, fill in the blanks using properties of subtraction. Blanks using properties of subtraction. So you have to find the difference using properties of subtraction. So in your first question, 32,000 I'm going to solve your first question. 32,615 minus 1,000. So you have to subtract here 1,000 from 32,615, but using the properties of subtraction. So what is the property of subtraction here? I will tell you. I had tell you before that if we subtract 1,000 from any number, its thousands place was going change and it comes one predecessor. It decreased by 1. So if we subtracted, this is the formula. If we subtracted 1,000 from any number, then digits 8, then digits 8, thousand place, decreased by 1. Place is decreased by 1. This is the formula. So guys, this is the formula and the property of subtraction. If we subtracted 1,000 from a number, then digits at thousands place is decreased by 1. Like that, your number is 32,615. If you subtract 1,000, so it's thousand place 2 is decreased by 1. So it is decreased by 1. After subtracting, you can subtract in your own way. If you subtract, your answer is 31,615. This is your answer. So here you look at that the number which comes 31,615. Here is thousands place is decreased by 1. So in thousands place, which is where is 2 put it, now here is 1 decreased and remains 1. So your answer is 31,615. If you subtract it, so you can find out how this is possible. So this is your formula, and you have to learn your properties one more time. Now I'm going to solve the next question of your question number first. To solve yourself, how will you solve your question? I'm going to solve the next question of this number, question number first. So your next number is 72,350. Your question number B. It is very easy to solve. 72,350 minus 1. It looks like very easy to solve, but you have to solve by using this property, using its property of subtraction. So here is one only. Here is two properties followed. This question is always followed by two properties, which is if one is subtracted by any number, then we find out the predecessor of that number, and if the ones place of that number is subtracted by any number, so we find out here the number decreased by 1 on its ones place. So you can find out very easily that here is the formula. If the number if 1 is subtracted by a number from any number, we can get the predecessor of the number. The difference is the predecessor. The difference is the predecessor of the number So guys, here is two properties found below, because if one is subtracted from any number, the difference is the predecessor of the number. So we will get the difference of the predecessor. This is the first property, and the second property is if the one is subtracted from any number, its ones place decreased by 1. This is the second properties of subtraction. You can find out easily if you subtract 72,350 minus 1, so you can get 72,349. So this is the predecessor of that number is also, and if 1 is subtracted by its ones place 0, so 0 borrow ones by its tens place. So if carry it 1, it becomes 10, and if we minus 1 from 10, it becomes 9, which is the predecessor of 10. So you can get two properties, and I am showing you two properties which is followed by this question. So in this way you have to solve your all questions. I'm going for the next one, sum of two numbers. Remaining all questions. Going for the next one. Your given question is sum of two number is 70,000. If one of the number is if one of the number is 33,667, so find the other number. Find the other number. So guys, look at here, this is your question. You have to find out. Here is given, you have given just the sum of two number is itna. If one of the number is itna, so you have to find the other number. So how can you solve this question? Since the sum of two number is sum of two number is 70,000. This is given, and if one of them the number if one of the number is 33,667, so you have to just subtract. So 3 9 9 6 3 9 6 3 9 3 6 and at least in last 3. So guys, your digit is 36,333 is the other number. So therefore the other number is 36,333. If you subtract these two, minuend, subtrahend from minuend. So I'm going for the next one. Your next question is, what should be added to itna to make it itna? Question number 3rd. What should be added to 27,829 to make it 40,000. So guys, your question number third is what should be added to इतना to make it इतना. हमें क्या ऐड करना चाहिए 27,829 में कितना ऐड करना चाहिए कि वो 40,000 हो जाए, 40,000 फॉर्म करे बनाए. तो देखेंगे हम लोग. हमें यहाँ अदर नंबर निकालने के लिए उस 40,000 में 27,829 को घटाना होगा. So we should subtract 27,829 from 40,000. If you subtract ones, column from columns, ones from ones, so you can get 1 7 1 2 and 1. So you should add 12,171 to make 40,000. So you should add 12,171 to 27,829 to make it 40,000. This is your answer. So guys, your question number 4 is similarly like question number 3. So you should make it with your own self. I'm going for the next question, question number 5. In your question number 5, find the missing digit in each of the following. Find the missing digit digits in each of the following. So guys, you should go for the missing digits of that menu int. In your first question, this is 10,000. Thousand, hundred, tens and ones. This is the different rows, columns. First 9, then box 9, then box 1 3 4 1 3 and your difference is 4 6 2 8 2. So guys, if you find out the missing digits in menu int, this is said to be menu int. and this is subtrahend, and this is the difference. So if you find out the minuend, you have to subtract it, the digits with the difference. You need to add the subtrahend and the difference of the both numbers. So if you do add the subtrahend and the difference, you would find out the minuend. So if you add 3 2, you would get 5. If you add 8 1, you can get 9. If you add 4 2, you could get 6. If you add 6 3, then it forms 9, and if you add 4 1, it forms 5. So this is your minuend, and if you find out the missing numbers in your minuend, so you have to calculate and add the subtrahend and the difference of the any subtraction. So this is your first question of question number 5, and if you have to just you need to do things. Remember to find out the missing digits in subtrahend, subtract the digit in difference, so from the digit in minuend. So if you find out the missing digits in subtrahend, so you have to find out the difference from minuend and the subtrahend, so you can get the. So you have to just remember 2 points, that to find out the missing digits in subtrahend, subtract the digits in the difference from the digits in minuend, and to find out the missing digits in minuend, add the digits in subtrahend and the digits in the difference. So here is 2 questions. I'm going for the next. So estimate the difference in each of the following in your next question. So guys, I'm going to solve your next question number 6, which is estimate the difference in your question number 6. Estimate the difference in each of the following. And find the actual difference as well. Find the actual difference as well. So guys, you need to find the difference in both ways. You have to find out the difference in actual and estimated by the both ways. So your first question is difference of difference of 582033, 582033 and 212447. So this is the two numbers you have given, and you have to find out the estimated difference and the actual difference by both ways. So at first actual ways, actual difference by the actual difference 582033 and 212447. This is subtracted by 3, 1376, 128, 10945, 976 and 8 list 3, 3,69,586 is your actual difference, and the estimated difference of that number, estimated differences if you do estimate the 5,82,033, so you would find out the 6,000, so 6 lakhs, 1 2 3 4 5 6 lakhs and 2 lakhs, 2 lakhs. So you have to just find out the difference between these two. So your difference is 0,000,004. So your difference is, estimated difference is 4 lakhs and the actual difference is 3,69,586. So this is your actual and this is the estimated. So guys, your chapter practice set 3.2 is completed, and you have to solve your all remaining questions in practice set 3.2. So go for it.